Alright, Natalie's gonna do the cinnamon challenge. We got a little audience. Alright, so Natalie, get the cinnamon. Here, hold this. I'll get it out. Oh, point it at me though. I'll wash that. Okay. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's the lid.
Okay, hang on.
The
Hold
tray.
that. Not yet.
I'm gonna eat this.
Now I'm gonna back far away. Okay.
I'm worried.
Go.
I need to near my water.
I know. Okay. No, just face this way.
This way?
That's fine.
But you need to see my facial expression.
I know, I'm right here. Okay.
I'm only worried.
One.
No, can I just do this on my own?
2, 3, go.
Okay, at least it tastes good and it's not like puke.
Okay, just.
Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh, hang on.
Oh, your teeth are so brown.
This is not nice.
Oh, you got it on my legs.
Look at my water.
You didn't even have it in very long.
That's nasty. It like gets in the crevices of everything.
Did you like that, Addie?
I'm never doing that again. Let's just say that. Oh. Why? Who thought of this?
Want to do the saltine challenge? Want to do the saltine challenge?
Oh, I tried that before. Well, not really, but kind of attempted.
Okay, my phone's dying.